If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe. Let YouTube know that I'm doing a good job by subscribing to the channel, plus you'll get notified when I have new videos coming out. And finally, if you're enjoying what I'm doing, give it a like, just click on that thumbs up, and that way YouTube knows that you like it, and they'll pass it along to other people that might enjoy my content as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you again. Let's get started.
Hi! Maayong adlaw ninyong tanan. Welcome to Fely's Farm, an integrated farm situated dinhi sa Bulawan, Lapuyan, Zamboanga del Sur. So ako ang cooperator aning learning site for agriculture nga identified or given assisted sa ATI Region 9. As an integrated farm, we engage sa rice, corn, cassava, abaca, cacao, and other root crops. But then, we specialize on Roselle plants. We have processed some products of Roselle. We have Roselle wine, Roselle coffee, Roselle jam, Roselle jelly, and Roselle tea. Among our varied products of Roselle, Fely's Farm takes a pride to teach you how to make Roselle wine. In making Roselle wine, we only have 5 ingredients: the water, sugar, the yeast, the lemon, and the most important, dried Roselle flowers. Considering that Roselle may be planted by the month of May and it will bear flowers between October to February, that's why for us winemakers, we have to preserve the flowers. This month, we are using the dried Roselle flowers. The first step in making wine, we have to make Roselle tea. Out of 9.9 liters that we are going to make today, that is equivalent to 3 gallons, 200 grams of dried Roselle shall be utilized. Out of that 9.9 liters of mineral water, we have to pour some amount enough to cover dried flour. After this, we have to boil this so that we can produce the desired Roselle tea. And then keep on stirring until it will produce a dark red liquid. While waiting for the extraction, we have to dissolve the sugar into the water. Out of the 9.9 liters, we have to get a certain amount of water, put into the kettle, and add the 2.4 kilos or equivalent to 12 cups of sugar. Now, we will put this into the oven to ensure that the sugar will melt. While waiting for the extraction of the Roselle tea and the melting of the sugar, we have to transfer the remaining 6 liters of water into our gallon that will serve as our fermentation container. set it aside. For a 3-gallon of water making the Roselle wine, we need 1 1/2 of this lemon. So we have now the lemon juice ready for filtering. The sugar has been melted and we wait for the time that it will reach room temperature. Then we have to transfer this melted sugar into the fermentation container. We have to wait for a few minutes for this Roselle tea to cool off. We have to use a filter in order to separate the Roselle flowers from the Roselle tea. So we have to transfer now the Roselle tea into the fermentation container since it's already at its room temperature. In order to enhance the flavor of our Roselle wine, we have to add the lemon, the sugar, and the Roselle tea that has been poured into this container has not been mixing, so we have to shake a little. Okay, it's thoroughly mixed. So for 1 gallon of mixture making Roselle wine, we have to put 5 ml of yeast. So, considering that this is a 3 gallon, so we have to add 15 ml of yeast. Then we will shake it lightly lang. Finally, we have to seal our fermentation container with this airlock with cover. To ensure the proper recording of our winemaking, we have to put the date it was made, considering that after this process, we still have to monitor the mixture 2 weeks after it was made. We have to funnel it so that the sediments deposited at the bottom shall be separated from the clear mixture. Then per month, you also have to repeat the process of funneling the mixture. Then 3 months, it is already for wine. So this is now our finished product, a 3-month-old Roselle wine. We will try to test. So cheers! This is the red wine available at Fely's Farm. Sarap! See you next time! Come and visit us!